Hey guys, how's it going? How to know traffic in Google Maps. Let's have an example that you want to go to a place. Let's select like a location, right? Type thing. Let's say I want to close this window. Let's say for example I want to go to this place, right? Or that place, yeah, that place, right? If I click that direction for that place, right, you're gonna be able to see the road or how long it will take me to get to that place, right? So if you saw like a red line in between those blue line, that means that there's possibly gonna be traffic in that area or whatever, right? So you need to know beforehand if there is any traffic while I'm going. As you can see right here, there is like a red notification right here, and that means that there is gonna be there is gonna be road closure on that place. That means that this road will be blocked and you need to take a forcible road to get back to your location. And as you can see right here, this is the places that's been highlighted with red and white. So basically that's how you know there is a traffic. If there is a traffic, that means there's gonna be a straight red line. If there isn't, or if there is like road closed in those territory or area, you're gonna be able to see red, white, and all that. So let's know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.